Hello yogis, and welcome to this introduction into yogic breathing. We will start lying flat on our backs with our knees bent, feet flat on the mat. This allows our diaphragm, our big muscle, to be able to relax and be able to work properly. Close off the eyes and just feel the breath flowing in and out of the nostrils. Don't try to control the breath. Bring awareness to the throat. Feel the breath flowing in and out of your throat. Bring awareness to the chest. Feel the breath flowing in and out of the chest. Feel the lungs expand on the in-breath and contract on the out-breath. Notice the rib cage and observe the expansion and relaxation of this area with your in-breath and your out-breath. Bring awareness to your abdomen. Can you feel your belly rise on an inhale and fall on the exhale? You may feel this. This may be true for you, or it may not. Do not make any judgments, just allow it to be as it is. Continue breathing in this natural way, but hold your entire breathing process in awareness. Now place the right hand on the belly and the left hand on the chest. We will begin by breathing into the belly. So on the inhale, feel the belly rise, feel your right hand come up, and on the exhale, feel it fall. You may need to force this a bit in the beginning. So on that inhale, really force the breath into the belly to make the right hand rise. And then on the exhale, let the hand fall with the belly. Inhale for 2, 3, 4, feeling the belly rise. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, feeling the belly fall. Inhale, feel the belly rise. 3, 4. Exhale, allow the belly to fall. 3, 4. Often with our busy lives, continue in this process of breathing with the belly. Often with our busy lives, we forget how to breathe properly and our diaphragm becomes rigid and we no longer breathe using our diaphragm. Now, we're going to hold the diaphragm in stillness and bring the breath to the chest. So on an inhale, breathe into the chest and feel your left hand rise. On the exhale, the chest falls, the left hand comes down. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, the chest falls. 3, 4. There will still be some slight movement in the abdomen, but not as much as before. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Really feel that chest rise. Exhale. Let the chest fall as the breath comes out. 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Now, on our next inhale, we'll breathe into the chest and then we'll send the breath further up into the collarbones. So inhale, Feel the chest rise, then force that air further up into the area of the collarbones. On the exhale, the collarbones fall, followed by the chest. The abdomen is still staying still. Inhale into the chest and up into the collarbones. Exhale, air comes out from the collarbones and the chest falls. Inhale into the chest, up into the collarbones. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Collarbones fall, followed by the chest. And again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Have a moment's rest, arms by your side, and just let the breathing return to normal for the moment before we move on to the 3-part full yogic breath. Just let the breathing be as it wants to be. Place the right hand back onto the belly and the left hand back onto the chest. Inhale into the belly rises. Up into the chest, you feel the left hand rise, then up into the collarbones. Exhale, the collarbones fall, followed by the chest, followed by the belly. This takes a while to get the hang of. Inhale, feel the right hand rise, followed by the left hand, then the air goes up to the collarbones. Exhale, air falls from the collarbones, left hand falls, right hand falls. Inhale into the belly, chest, collarbones. Exhale from the collarbones, chest, belly. Continue practicing this at your own pace. These full breaths using the diaphragm enable full oxygenation in the lungs, improve the lung strength, and also activate our calming side of our fight and flight nervous system, our parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is so important for digestion, in anxiety, depression. When you have completed your next cycle, extend the legs long into Shavasana, arms out to the side, and just let the breathing return to its natural rhythm. Do not have any judgment. Yogic breathing takes time and practice. Bend your knees in, roll onto one side to come up to seated position. Left palm on top of the right palm. And thank you for sharing this video with me. Yogic breathing is so beneficial, and eventually it's something you learn to do at any time. But in terms of sequencing, it's really good to do a bit of yogic breathing before we go into Shavasana. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how you get on. Namaste.